Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to stop call forwarding on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down the settings page. Locate and click on apps. Now scroll down the apps page. Just keep scrolling until you get to the phone app and then click on it. So scroll down to the phone app and then click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down, locate call forwarding, click on call forwarding. If the toggle on call forwarding is enabled, go ahead and then disable it. Alternatively, you can also use USSD code to stop call forwarding on iPhone. Just go ahead and dial this particular USSD code, pound, pound, 002 pound, and then dial it. If you have any conditional call forwarding on your iPhone, this is going to erase all of them. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to stop call forwarding on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.